I took 1 ounce of resin and I added glitter. I did black glitter, dark blue glitter, light blue glitter, and some white. And then I mixed it up and poured it into my silicone mold. I took my heat gun and popped the bubbles. Then I took some white acrylic paint and started painting. Because of the glitter, there were some little raised areas that made little pock marks on there. So all I did was make sure that I painted over them. I kind of dabbed those areas and then just painted over it, and I just kind of made it wispy at the ends. I did 2 coats and then I added black acrylic paint for the eyes and a little smile. I was going to leave it that way, and you could put maybe Boo or something on top of it, but I thought it was a great chance to personalize it, so I put my niece's name on there, Mindy, because she happens to love ghosts. I poured 1 more ounce of resin on there, let it cure, and here it is, all done. And it's a great Halloween coaster. If you want more information about this project or you want to see some other great Halloween projects, go over to my website at craftclatch.com.